this link. What we saying, boys? Yes, Owen. Yes, Richard. Yes, Bigfoot. What we saying, boys? I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm sweet. Sliding on you, we some time. I'm excited for New York session because there's a few things that can definitely help us with the bias that's coming out, especially at half one. I do want to see those prints coming out are quite important. Yes, Mehmet, how we doing, my boy? Hope we sweet, hope we sweet. This is annoying. I can't get this as good as possible. Unless that side. What flash? I feel like I can't get it as best as it could be. Oh, that's better. It's a bit better, I guess. It's just mad noise. Yes, Ryan. What are we saying, boys? If you're in here, say yo. What I was looking for GU this New York session. Yeah. You know, I just realised I haven't got the background on. Where the fuck is that at? Where the fuck is that? Got it here, let me duplicate it. Yes, Stu, what we saying, bro? This morning was wank, big time, I can't lie, lol, but we move. Yeah, I mean, a lot of us, GU didn't really do what we wanted. DTL was quite nice, that's all I can really say. I was looking at shorts after the Friday 50, but looks like we are coming back up, so we'll see what Price wants to do now. EG was what we was looking at this morning. I think a good 4 of us had positions placed. Who had this placed actually? I had this placed on that funding pip. I had this placed on like 6% risk on that funding pips. Unluckily, I think it's 5% actually. But yeah, unluckily it didn't come through. I wanted to see how I would get on with that challenge. Also was put onto that little Propel account, but price did not come back down. It is what it is though, man. It is what it is. Why the frick? Can I not duplicate this because I can't actually see it? Copy, paste, paste. Fuck. Why can't I see it? I can't see it. I can't see it. Why can't I? Paste duplicate. Oh, I saw it for a second. Where's it at? Sorry, boys. I can't actually find where that background is. It's somewhere. It's somewhere on my Streamlabs, but I can't fucking find it. It's kind of frustrating. I've put it at the front as well, so I don't know why it's... Should be showing up, but it's just mad now. Stu, can you try and find the the file for me so I can upload it. So I can't actually find. And that is kind of annoying. I do want it on. Bro, are you not using a Wanda as your broker for EG? I should be. Am I not? Yeah, I am, bro. Yeah. Always a Wanda, man. If you're fond of FTMO, I highly advise, by the way. I'm a Wanda on everything. I'm a Wanda on EG, EU, GU. Well, what was FXCM? Did it come back to it? Did it come back to the DTR? Nah, it didn't either, so that's okay. That's okay. It's not too bad. Sweet, you know we ain't wasting no time. EU sales looks 30. EU and GU sales is what I want to see. Thing is about EU, it's not come up and completed that CRT. I feel like that would be optimal. So yeah, I think sales, yeah, 100%. But I think first we got a few objectives to complete first. Oh, is that it? Can I move it up? What you got? Oh, sorry. Can I grab that? Oh, bro, why can't I grab it? Sorry, lads. Let me try. I want to get this. I can't actually find this. Nah, still, you're gonna have to send me if you can, bro. That's a big old message. Stove, fucking hell. I have to read that in a sec. Past week, EU news been making it plummet to TP most days. Yeah, the Euro's been very weak. It's held that weakness. The things that I've actually enjoyed as well, which has made it a lot easier. GU's come back down now. Let's see if it gives us a 5-minute trade through. I mean, we've had the trade through. I just want to get a nice 5-minute gap traded. We didn't break this high, so we've got a few equal highs here as well, so we'll see. 15, no 15 now, we'll have to wait till we got a 5. What do you reckon for news? Use good or bad? Cheers, Stu. Cheers, bro. If you can send that, because I can't find it. News later on. Sorry, what have we got? We've got US. Was it CPI? I'm sure it was inflation. Okay, so like what I was saying this morning, is pretty much looking quite bullish for the dollar. Bear in mind, when inflation goes up, it seems kind of bearish, right? But inflation is good for an economy, right? Although they want their target down, on print, it will probably be quite bullish. But then as you'll notice, like sort of over time, it might be a bit bearish. But I mean, year to year, they're still staying at 2.4. Still against their target, but at least they're not coming away from it. Bearing in mind the tariff situation, obviously they knew that there was going to be a little bit of a strain on inflation just due to the tariffs, but they've cut some deals down now, so I feel like inflation will start dropping soon. It's been increasing a little bit, so probably on print bullish. I can't see it being much bearish because the year to year is still 2.4, so it's not too bad. But yeah, I'm still bullish dollar, really, boys. I'm still bullish dollar. I think EU sales, I'm agreeing with you. I think GU is very nice though because of where it's at. The euro does have that sort of that unique weakness though, which does make it a little bit more appealing. Cheers, Stu. Top man, bro. Top man. Top man. Top man. You know what? Perfect. CPI, yeah, 15 minutes. We've got 15, just under 15, yeah. Yeah, Forex for actually telling me dollar bullish. Yeah, it's pretty much dollar bullish, but you got to bear in mind. Let me just get this on. I'm going to have to delete the others as well. Sorry, boys. I don't know why that was so... Where the fuck is it? Just image. EU has a nice 5-minute zone at the top. Maybe you can sell off from there. Yeah, I mean, that's really, to be honest, I still want to see that CRT though. Like, I still want to see that. If it does, that's the most optimal trade you're going to get. In terms of something just moving down now, I feel like GU has that. But the thing is, DXY is moving the same as... oh, shit. Oh, fuck me. Perfect. Okay. That is literally... This is literally what we said this morning, boys. Holy fuck. This couldn't be any more bang on than what we were saying this morning, man. Holy shit. So what we were saying for DXY, we wanted to complete the CRT, which as you can see, as it's at that low there, it's exactly what it fucking done. Like, it's horny. There's another horny part though. We want to be trading up towards this gap now. And as you can see, we've had some nice price action towards the upside, with the DTO now being sort of acting as a support level for our price. So I want to see price now come to that point there. What does that mean for GUEU? That means it's going to start coming down. So hopefully now we can start seeing GU come down off that Friday 50 and start giving us a fucking ride. A fucking ride. Can I get my image file? Please? Oh, there's a bit of lag there, isn't there? Why did it come up on that screen? What the fuck? We're here. We're here and we're queer. What's the little tune that all the gays and that have? Fucking weird, that's what it is. I think I need to put it... Okay, yeah, sweet. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Just so it fits in. Like a fucking glove. That'll do us. Right, nice one, Stu. Appreciate it, man. Karam Chameleon. Karma Chameleon, or however the fuck you say it. What the fuck are you on about? Skull, you sometimes come out with the craziest shit. BT only got 10 minutes-ish to retap, and then you start going on about Karam Chameleon. Yes, Tommy, what we saying, bro? I know we can get rid of that. Perfect. Yes, Dory, what we saying, bro? Dory's probably actually not like stupid o'clock for you now, is it? Oh, well. You were talking about music, was I? Oh man, ban him. We're still pushing up, man. We're still pushing up. We'll see what DXY wants to do again. Come back down to the DTO makes sense. But yeah, I think again today EG just was the position of the weekly trope instead of the daily trope, and that's sort of what we got. I feel like we got to wait for this news now, though, boys. So we got 10 minutes. We get a bullish dollar is exactly what we're looking for. Bearing in mind, all right, we're looking for a bullish dollar because I want to see this gap be filled. You know what I mean, boys. You know exactly what I mean. Talk about the daily trope, and no, I'm not. I'm actually fucking not. Talking about ass. fuck is this? Is it laggy? Am I lagging? Let me know. It's 7:20 in the morning, didn't join pre-London, had to come early to work, but watching a live from office. Come on, man. What do you do, Dory, for work? What do you do? What do we all do for work, man? I actually want to know what you man do for work. I only know what, like, a handful of you man do. Right, we're getting that last little push up. Nice. It looks like DXY getting a last little push down. If that comes to the DTO, I'm coming. I'm coming. I am coming. Look at GC. Such a shame I didn't take that high on my chart this morning. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'll be honest. GC's been looking really nice recently. Oh, that would have been so honey. That would have actually been so nice, to be fair. Actually traded really low as well. Could have even had fucking profits of Friday 50. Like, it's actually nice. That's really nice. I'm a data analyst. That sounds fucking... Why does that sound bare, like, technical? Data analyst. What data do you analyse? That makes sense, you're coming into trading, man. I like that. OFM, come on, EK. Assistant manager from a dealership, nice. Come on. Cop. Wait, you're a Fed. Coop. Lol. What the is he a Fed? We need a VAR in this. We can't have a Fed in here. We can't have the police up in this bitch. Before we continue, we need to actually see if this guy's a federal agent. Yeah, GC made me want to jump off a bridge. Okay, so maybe not trading it, Ryan's the best idea to go forward. Nah, it's unlucky, man. Co-op, lol. Co-op. Oh, you work in co-op. Where's the apostrophe? Not the apostrophe, the hyphen. Where's the hyphen? I thought you was a Fed for a minute, but you just mistyped it. Everyone asked me that same question. I analyse all sorts of data. Fair play. What, just like... For what, though? Like, okay. No, I got you. A lot of people going jail for years. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone just off what I say. Not even anything that I do. Shall we continue with the trading? Let's continue with the trading. Chicken in the coop. I was going to say, just works in a coop. Like, bro's just a chicken. Bro just pops eggs. Bro just farts eggs. What about you, Skull? Or are you still... No, actually, you're still in education, right? Who's still in education? Well, there's nothing wrong with it. It's all good. I mean, some of you man are just young, innit? Some of you man are just still like 17, 18, still in like Coddy and that. Trading is illegal. Do you analyse charts or like literal... To be fair, you'd be very good at just analysing like Bloomberg terminals. Like this guy, like I feel like if we get a Bloomberg terminal in an office, then Michael's got to be the dude on it, man. He just has to be the dude on it. Just finished uni yesterday. Holy shit. Your name's none of your business, but just gave me like your whole business. That's sick. But no, that's sick, man. What was you doing at uni? I like that. We got 5 minutes, boys. Well, I'm just talking to you, man, because honestly, we've got fucking 5 minutes till news, so we might as well just sit and chat. Nothing much going on. Let's learn about each other. Because the thing is, you realise that you're in the same situation as bare other people. Like, a lot of people kind of feel shit about where they're at, but at the same time, bro, for more time, you're just bare man where you at. Civil engineering. Wait, what makes it civil, though? And what's the opposite to civil engineering? Like angry engineering? I love IFM to be TBS. What's TBS? Money and free content. Well, what you do dudes in that? Come on, EK. She's got bare guys on his team. Bare dudes. I'm washing windows as a side hustle until I can make enough from trading on the 18 still. Love that, man. Love that. Love that. EK's just got bare dudes. Just turns out EK's actually got his own OF and just like he's just does the most homo shit on it. No, that's lit though, EK. Yeah, dudes only, bro. For the boys though, innit, EK? Do you know what I'm saying? Give me a spud. Shit. Swear I've seen you sub to a guy too. No. No, you haven't. Prove it. Or don't. You don't have to prove it. Don't prove it. Don't prove it, please. Please don't prove it. EK, please don't prove it. Anything to do with improving civilization buildings. Oh, shit, okay. Nice, man. Love that. Love that. Engineering's always a good job, man. It's a good job to get. Oh, sorry, Stu. Sorry, bro. Sorry. I was too busy with EK and his dudes. I actually miss Bear, man. I still pay my richest mentorship though, so... Never mind, I just can't talk anymore. Holy fuck. We've got 2 minutes, just over 2 minutes, boys. I still pay my richest mentorship, so... Wait, so... Was you going to say something else, Story? No data is a completely different world, only some correlations such as remembering patterns, etc. I was 18 years a scaffolder and I'm self-unemployed. I thought I read that wrong, but I just didn't. That's banter. That's great banter! I saw that video the other day. Don't know what it was. Found it so funny. The only shame, as you can probably tell, boys, I'm pretty high. Pretty high right now. Come on, news. Come out, man. We've got a minute and a half. Bro's guilty as Bro read around my comment. I actually didn't even see yours. The thing is, your name's like blue as well, like more noticeable than anyone else's. 2.5 mins from a DTO retap. Did DXY come to the DTO? No, it needs to come to it. Come on! No. What the fuck happened there then? What the shit? I literally... Bro, I was looking at it and then I looked away and then looked back and the candle was just fucking... You got to tap the DTO, man. You've got to tap the DTO. You have to tap the DTO. You got 30 seconds to do it or I'm pissed. Before Bloomberg terminals were just PC with special keyboards, pretty expensive. 100%. They're fucking expensive as hell. They're expensive as hell. It's worth it though. To be honest, it is worth it. It is worth it. Well, supposedly. Not that I'd fucking know. But I think getting one is quite... I think it is needed. Sorry, am I fucking missing something? Was I just not on DXY? Oh no, I was. Fucking hell, that bugged me out for a sec. How did we come out? How did the news come out? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Inflation actually dropped by 2.3. No, wow, fuck me. Dropped by 0.1% year to year. So... pretty bearish on print, but inflation coming down is what the Fed wants. You're going to see that become bullish. But geez, I was not expecting it to come low. But core CPI at 0.2%. Month to month as well, we had normal CPI at 0.2. So that's a really nice sell move. Let's see if we can actually push up now. This is going to be really nice for a buy on DXY, shorts and GUEU. EU actually might be the horniest thing right now. It didn't quite come to it. Right, let's give it 15 minutes just to chill the fuck out, because that was inflation and come out unexpected, so we're going to get a lot of volatility. So let's not try and get impregnated. I know you guys love to get impregnated, and to be honest, boys, I'm going to have to tell you guys now, because for some reason a lot of people still seem to think that a man can get pregnant. Next time we do a Gahoo, okay, I want you guys to know this now. Guys cannot get pregnant. I only found this out recently, but guys can't get pregnant. Anyway, I didn't enter yet. EU gaps. Yeah, I'm still looking for the EU gape. Mate, this is the life chilling on the sofa in the back garden. Can of iron. Okay, you've ruined it. Bro, you could have also said you was getting boppity bop from the maddest of Betty LaBooties, but Iron Brew. You know what? I hear it though, man. I know we've all got flavours, and I know it's all like, I know it's like to do with you. You know what I'm saying? It's all like subjective, or whatever it's called, subjected. Fuck knows. But fucking hell, Iron Brew. Just give me a bowl of urine in it, please, and I would honestly take that over an Iron Brew. No, to be fair, I haven't had an Iron Brew in probably like 10 years. It might be actually time to try one. A bowl of urine, that'd be awkward to drink as well. Not gonna cap. We should be seeing it come down next while I pull up, because again, like what I was saying, it's bearish on print, but then bullish overall, long term. Why is there a little corner of my? Pretty good. What Scottish people drink, that's when you know you're a wrong one. Them man drinks Iron Brew. How do you even know that? Oh, Scottish people must hate us, innit? They actually must just hate us, bruv. I would hate English if I was Scottish. I bet would. I'd be pissed that they're just genuinely just better. Is anyone Scottish in here? I fucking hope not. No, I'm joking. To be fair, Scottish ain't even that bad. Compared to, like, some areas. And you, man, are from these areas as well, bro. If I ain't gonna lie. Some of you, man, are from... Who's from Brum in here, man? Put your hand up if you're from Brum. It's probably about 20% of the fucking... Like, or Bradford. Who said it was in Bradford? Someone said they were from Bradford today. Or yesterday. Can't actually remember. We'll wait for 15 minutes / for... I don't want to really wait for 30 minutes because it's kind of long one on live for an hour and a half, so... But yeah, as we can see, everything's working out nice. I want to see this gap now get traded to. Oh, it is a Scottish drink. Alright, hear it. Can't wait to experience that as well one day. But the Iron Brew. Michael, don't bother, man. Michael, trust me, don't bother. No, I'm kidding, man. I need to try myself an Iron Brew. What Scottish people drink, that's when you know you're wrong. And yeah, Mace already read that comment. Right, come on, let's get this bullishness and this bearishness for GU. Brumtown, choose. Oh yeah, that's it, bruv. The guy saying the guy's hand being cut off was from Bradford, that's it. Blackpool's the worst. Blackpool's pretty dreadful, man. It's pretty shit. Like, honestly, but I'll be honest, man, I'd rather be in London than anywhere else in this country. Regardless of how unsafe, supposedly, it is. But, man, if you, man, are from, like, Bradford and Blackpool and them like, fucking... anywhere else other than, like, Essex and London, I'll be real, you, man, are... Nah, I'm playing. But you, man, need to move out of there, though, for real. You, man, need to move to London or something. Or closer to London, at least. Bradford. You, man, probably don't even experience inflation and shit. Do you? You probably still have them Freddos at like 5 pence. Your petrol price is still like £1. I mean, not that I would know. What's your go-to strain? That's a good question. My go-to, I think would always be wedding cake. I feel like that's my go-to because I feel like that's just always gave me a nice high, man. Always. I'm hoping we are talking about weed, otherwise that would be a bit embarrassing. It's got to be wedding cake, man. A wedding cake is my go-to, like in terms of like normal smokes. Go-to smokes, definitely wedding cake. It's one of those strains I've had so many times, but I still like it. In terms of Cali, let's talk. You might as well. We still got to wait a couple of minutes for this news to actually chill out a bit. We might even still see inflation. We might even just see the pool still fly up. Skywalker. I've had a few bad Skywalkers though, man. I'll be honest. I've had a few bad ones. But bro, it's fucking. Tell you what, Skywalker's strong, man. It's pretty much as strong as Stardog. Mine's fresh air. As fresh as it gets in the UK. You probably don't have fresh air in Milton Keynes, dude. You probably have the most fucking... What's the word? Polluted. You probably have the most polluted town in the country, surely. I'm on GU at the moment, bro. It says at the bottom. Oh, fucking idiot. It says there. Oh. EU-GU sells, but we're gonna have to wait. Like I said, like I always say, we need to wait for at least 15. I normally do 30 minutes, but we'll do 15 minutes as it is New York, and I am jumping off in like an hour and a bit, so I don't want to wait too long. I want to try and actually get an entry today. You seen how green MK? I just would have thought it would have been hella. Bro, why do I keep forgetting the word? I keep trying to say populated. Polluted. It just feels like that because it is a pretty industrial town, no? Or city, Milton Keynes city, or is it a city or is it a town? Surely it's big enough to be a city, but once this news candle flips, Asia Low will hit. Hopefully, yeah. I mean, I feel like we are just gonna get the trade down to externals. I don't know if we're gonna take that today or tomorrow, but this is exactly what we wanted for the day. I mean, let's be honest. This is the week we've had so far, right? We've had our initial move of the week. Let's get this magnet off. From... What? Where have I had this in my hand? From here to here, okay, was Monday. So as you can see, Monday was the distribution. Or, no, sorry. So we know this... I don't know why I like doing the X's like that. It just doesn't even look like an X either. X, A, M, D. Okay, that's what we got this week. So we had the continuation of that bearish move on Monday. So that's the X. Today we've got the accumulation. Okay, we can see that because we are getting a small retracement up. We're just now waiting for the manipulation, then the distro. Okay, so again, boys, it looks like we are in that accumulative setting, but let's just be smart. Let's just be wary of what's going on. But yeah, Monday did have that continuation, which does just make that Tuesday a little bit more accumulative, as we can see. Tuesday is literally from this candle to this candle so far. So we still got a little bit of time, so we'll see. The accumulation could just be the retracement up. That is definitely one. Driverless business driverless buses since when? With driverless buses stuck in. Wait, what's going on here? Milton Keynes is stuck in 2010. You're crazy. From what Stu said, their manner in 2050 got robot different packages, which are this buses and since 2 weeks ago. Yeah, no, Milton Keynes got everything, man. Milton Keynes are G'd up, I ain't gonna lie. But that's why I would have thought it would have been like hella industrial. Like hella like pollution. Because it feels like it is sort of the test town. Well, it kind of is, isn't it? I mean, me and Stu have chatted about it enough. It's like a they just get everything first, and everything's tested there. Warehouses there, factories there. So I just thought it would have been populated. But they're fucking hella forward, man. They're like Hong Kong type shit. Literally on some Hong Kong type shit. It's fucked. Well, not as quiet, but. I've never seen driverless. Let me do a VAR then. Let me do a VAR. Jeez. Let's have a look at them. Alright, how sick would it be? You may remember Transit back in BO2 days. Imagine if you just had a robot like that driving you around. Fucking hell, man. I just, you know when you drop the thing and you get all the straight back in the... You know, that would be lit though, man. Fucking hell, bruv. Just got caffeine straight to the fuck. That was uncomfortable as shit. Our family lived there, yeah, that's sick, man. They were the days, trust me, man. If only I could go back. Literally can play the games now if I really wanted to. No, Zombies is sick though, man. Zombies is cold. Transit, but none of my boys coffee splashback. I just had it straight to the... No, I had it straight to the eyes, man. That was uncomfortable as fuck. Go on here, you. Come to that CRT. Make me happy. Make us happy. Still want to see this candle flip. Or if it comes to Friday 50, I'm chuffed, really. Because we do want to see it get rebalanced enough to make sense. To actually jump in. Bear in mind, we've still got the accumulation. The accumulation doesn't have to be like... Just like this, by the way. An accumulation can still be a retracement move. Okay, although you are grabbing the highs, you're not really accumulating sellers. You're more accumulating buyers. But this is the thing about the market, right? And this is what I say all the time: is the market wants people to buy because they plan on selling, right? So, for an example, we're getting a small return. I mean, I'm an idiot because we do. Okay, I should probably go on GU. Let's go on GU, right? So this is what we got right now, okay? So I'm just going to draw it just below. So we've got a big distribution, and then we've got the retracement, okay? This accumulation here is an accumulation of people buying, right? And this is why you don't want to buy in retracement scenarios, and this is why I will never... like buy to sell or sell to buy anymore. I used to, but then I actually understood this concept, right? So once we're selling, so we've got all these buyers in this scenario, right? As we know, we had the distro push into the downside, so our bias is bearish, right? We know we've got a bearish market. And by the way, I'm literally just copying what's up here, right? The same price action. What we want to do here is obviously be looking to sell. The reason why we don't want to be looking to buy is because we're accumulating buyers and the smart money is going to be selling, okay? The reason why the market's not allowing sellers to come in is because the smart money is looking to sell, okay? So this is the reason why we see price move to the downside with another distribution. And again, that's what we're looking for here. To commentate the Friday low, commentate the external. And all these buyers are going to get swept, okay? And again, when the smart money is looking to sell, they want everyone to buy. And the reason for that is just simple supply and demand, really, right? You want there to be minimal supply. Minimal supply. Okay? So say if I'm selling, I want minimum supply of sellers. Because that will push the demand of price. In terms of the market, right? I mean, banana stand. Should we go back through this banana stand shit? Because I'm more than happy to go through this. And I could do with a bit of art. A bit of what the fuck would you call it? A bit of practice with my art. Let me know if you want me to do the banana stand. I don't know why that is the case, because that's not even a fucking thing. Let me know if you want a banana stand, you man. I'm there for it. But GU and EU, yeah, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for price to come up, to come down. But you don't want to be buying when it's coming up. And that's the reason why, okay? Well, I just realised I'm not even on TikTok. I'm like, I don't know, I'm about 46 minutes into the live and I didn't completely forgot. Let me just bang myself on live, boys. 2 secs. We good. Right, cool. Let's go through the banana stand theory. This is the banana stand theory. Okay, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is called banana stand. Essentially, the whole point of this like discussion of the banana stand, right, is it makes you realise what the smart money intend to do and how they manipulate the market, okay? And this, to understand this is key, because a lot of the times, have you noticed, you've got into a trade, right? Say you got into a trade and then price just hit your stop loss. Let's draw this out. Price just hit your stop loss and it continues the other direction, right? So this is pretty much what happens. And this is how it looks like in literal terms, in terms of visual. So picture this, right? We've got a banana stand. I own a banana stand. Oh, right, let's see how this goes, you man. It's not even that bad so far. Okay, that's alright. Okay, it's going alright. Okay, I'm actually not too sure what I'm drawing. Oh, okay, it's not going bad. It's actually not going too bad. Shit! It's actually not going bad at all. Okay, so if I'm selling bananas, right? Yo, that's a banana, you man, no cap. These are my bananas, right? I'm selling these for 80 cents each. I don't know how you draw the cent sign. So 80p, right? Say 80p. Fuck American dollars. So 80 cents. In this scenario, I'm selling bananas, right? That's the first thing you need to understand. I'm the person who owns this banana stand and I'm selling bananas for 80 cents a piece. There's also someone next to me who has a banana stand. His one's much smaller, not as cool. His one's shit, but he's also got bananas, right? These are bananas, no cap. That's exactly what bananas look like. But he is selling them for 60p, okay? See, my problem is I'm not going to get clients, okay? Because they're all going to go to him. So what the smart money intend to do is pretty much eliminate the competitor. And the way they do that is they will buy all the supply of the bananas. Now they've got fuck all. And now I've got total control of the banana market. I mean, I'm sure there's other people selling bananas somewhere. But in terms of this market, right? Yeah, his one's dead, man. You know them ones? Tiny little stand. But yeah, but now I've got control of the market. I've got full control. I can choose however the fuck I want to price these, man. Fuck it. I'm charging £1.20 a banana. Okay? But what they try and do is they manipulate the market, so they'll take these people out and then they'll push price in a direction that they want. Okay? And it's exactly what they're trying to do in the market. So understanding the banana stand theory is so key. I know there's a lot of shit going on right now, and there's lots of shit going on. But the banana stand theory is key in understanding how smart money manipulates, not retail. And the retail isn't barely liquidity, boys. I know you're probably thinking, like, oh, they're just trying to take me out. They're just trying to hit my stop loss. They're not, right? Boys, who the fuck wants your £1,000? Who wants your £100? None of these big banks, big hedge funds want your 100 to 2 grand, right? They don't give a shit, right? They're billion-dollar companies that earn a stupid amount of money year on year. They don't give a fuck about your £100. The market is the big banks versus the big banks. That's how it works. It's always been like that, always will be like that. Why? Because big banks have a lot of money, hedge funds have a lot of money, small banks have a lot of money. So this is why they're competing against each other, right? It's not them against us, it's them against each other, and we're just the little fishies trying to get a little nibble at the food, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I hate when people say that, man. Oh, they just come to hit my stop loss. The market's just trying to molest me. Probably should have said that on tickies, but it is what it is. We get banana, that's poo. Feeding off the crumbs, exactly, Stu. And they don't even look at us, boys. They don't look at us, man. They don't give a fuck. They don't care. So, yeah, get it out of your head that we're liquidity, boys. Because then that's when you probably start thinking a little bit smart about the markets. Because a lot of people blame it on just the markets being manipulative. They are manipulative, but they're not trying to manipulate us. If they manipulate us, we're actually silly. Because they're not even aiming to manipulate us. They don't give a monkeys. See the irony? I hope you've seen the irony. But yeah, that's the banana stand theory, boys. If you want me to go through that again, I'll do it tomorrow. But I love that theory, man. That'll always be one of my favourites. How's the market been doing? GU still continued up. Holy shit. Oh, it's come back down a little bit now. Have we come into this hourly? Nice. 4 hour? I think it's the same fair value, isn't it? Have we come into the 50%? That's what we want. If we can get that 50%... Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is fucking gorgeous. Right, let's untick that. Right, sweet. Right, let's have a look if we start reversing now. 5 minute trade through will do me. 5 minute trade through will be this 5 minute here. I want to start seeing that inflation report actually start touching the markets. How did the news come out, mate? It come out pretty negative for the dollar off print in terms of low inflation. That obviously does affect the market quite negatively. But in terms of overall, it's quite positive. Again, the Fed have managed to get inflation from 2.4 year on year to 2.3, which is obviously positive. Why? Because their target is 2%. Oh! 2%. I don't think they're going to get 2% though, man. It's fucking hard to get 2% inflation. To be fair, everyone's been aiming for that for the last couple years and just not been able to get it. Do you think EU will continue up with this New York session? I don't think so. It might continue a little bit more, but in terms of the finishing off, I feel like we woohoo! Go on then, mate. Spit it out, Junior. I mean, we haven't taken the CRT yet on EU, so it does make it a little bit more difficult. It's a little bit of a fucker because DXY's completed it. DXY's doing its own thing now. It's not come to the that would actually be nice to come to that Friday 50 again. We got to have a 5 minute trade through here. If it continues up, that makes sense. I can see Apple continuing down. It makes sense to me because of the Friday 50. But ultimately, I'm still looking for EU to come to that CRT. I don't think it'll come to the Friday 50 because just too much to ask for. It's our own one, Lewis. You can't find it on the indicators. But if you drop me a message, bro, I'll send you the link for it. It's a Discord server one. It's just in our server. If you jump in our Discord, bro. Go to our Instagram. Should be in our bio. Oh shit, I'm on this account. Ooh, I actually wasn't meant to go on this account. Ooh, I'm playing with fire. Is it free? Yeah, it's all free, bro. It's all free. It's all free, man. It's something that we got made for our members, but then everyone just started asking for it, so we just gave it out to everyone. We are prop firm traders anyways. Prop firms don't affect the markets. Perfect. Exactly. Kiss yourself. Give yourself a kiss on the face. Try and do that. If anyone can do that, I'll give you 100 quid. If you can kiss yourself in the face, I will give you £100. As long as you don't speak about what we say in pre-London, you won't get banned. Yep, well. It's very true. It's very true, K-Dog. A little bit of a bait out, but yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true. Go on, you. Get up here. I feel like sometimes it is like horse racing, the markets. Especially around news time. Holy moly. We're seeing, to be honest, we're seeing the GB 10 years come up, the yields come up. So we're seeing everything get, bonds getting sold pretty much. So again, safer assets are coming down. Gold's starting to have a little bit more of a retracement now. Again, another safe asset gone. Pin a notice for viewers to contact you. Oh, that's cool. Pin from info, drop me a DM. Hey, what the fuck's this? Boys, if you want to get pretty yag, what's yag? What's yag mean, bro? Pretty yag. Pretty yag. Yag? Is that an abbreviation for something? To be fair, gold's nearly come to that DTO. It ain't quite. But it's coming through. What's inside of that? Weekly true and prior week low, yeah. Come on, right, it's pretty much been half an hour now. Fucking hell. Right, GU did manage to trade through. DXY hasn't actually took that low yet, so we'll wait. Oh, really backwards. Could you just say it, Josh? Could you just say it? There is smoke, you know we ain't wasting no time. Oh, you can't actually say it, that's why. Why are you not allowed to say that? I mean, I'm not allowed to say it on TikTok, but why the fuck are you not allowed to say it on here? Stupid shit. This was our AG position. I mean, I already showed it at the start, but this was our AG position that we didn't get entered in today. Who entered this and didn't get tapped in? Because I reckon there was a good few of us, to be fair, and it was annoying because we was a few pips away. And yeah, it was pretty efficient to TP as well. It hit TP at before the kill zone end. It hit TP at 9:30. Yeah, 9:30. It was nice. Bro, I don't understand how I using the same broker as you, but your 4-hour imbalance has been mitigated to the middle, but on my chart it hasn't hit the middle yet. What time frame you on, bro? What pair are you talking about? Let me help you out, man. I'm on a Wander, by the way, for all my pairs. I trade FTMO. An ACG's not too bad off of a Wander. And then the other prop firms, I just use what they give me. You know when you can have the chart on your dashboard, like the actual like trade locker or some shit. What pair are you on about to hear? The MIG. GU. 4-hour, yeah? Are you on a Wander? I'm on a Wander. I'm in long on gold. What's your name? Oh, nice, Josh. What I'd say about gold is I can see it coming back down to the DTO before moving off. It might have actually already hit it. No, it hasn't. I'm looking at... Where's your stop? Hopefully your stop allows the DTO to be... it did the same yesterday. Exact same yesterday, bearing in mind. Like, the exact same. Really just come to that DTO and then push off. We're below the Friday 50% now, so I'm happy for us to start buying. But that DTO is quite close, so I would watch out for that. Yes, I'm in Panda or Wanda. Oh yeah, I don't know why yours is like that then. Have you got? Are Have you got this all right? Have you got your thing all right? Send me Send me a photo on Discord. Send it into Chart Check or DM it to me. I've got my Discord to the left of me, so just send it over, bro. And I'll have a little look. That is kind of weird though. Are you just looking at the wrong time frame or something? No, you're probably looking at the right time frame. Stop loss 3236. It's quite tight. Where did you enter? Okay, you're safe. You're safe at the DTO, which is calm. If it comes to there. Yes, EU. There we go. Fucking hell, only took you ages, to be fair. On DXY, I'm assuming DXY's broke that low now. Okay. Are we going to come to that Friday 50? Again, that is probably the most optimal for DXY to come to before the buy-in starts. Because that is pretty much just 50% of the range we're in, really. Go medieval in the war against demons. That's a fucking freakish notification. What the hell is that for? Check them out. Prepare for streaming doom. The Dark Ages headed. What the fuck? Oh, they're quite cool, them. Top man, bro. Let me have a little look. Do. That's really weird. No, it's because you didn't do the order block, bro. No, sorry, you didn't do the fair value. The fair value is down to this candle here. It's from this candle's low to this candle's high, wick-wise. I think yours was just here. So I think you're looking at the... No, not 2 hour. 12 hour? Yeah, I think you're looking at the, like, near it. I'm not even too sure. But yeah, it's just that candle low there, bro. I mean, yours is at the 50% anyway, so it don't actually madly matter. It don't matter that much. Yes, trading edge. What you saying, bro? You've got a flash goal. What's a flash goal? Start flash goal. What is that about? 3 gifters and rows to your live 50 minutes. Choose ultimate goal in 24-hour live goal theme. Your current live goal will resume when the flash goal ends. I'm gonna say no to that bullshit. Right, come on. Let's see if we can get a position now. We've come into that 50. We've got to start seeing reversals. There's no 5 minutes to see a trade through. I'm still looking at these. Is it gonna show? No, I'll not put it on. It's on GU, yeah. Okay. And then DXY trade through. EG's just again. GU and EU look nice. Move away from EG. Nah. It's all good anyways. It's all good, bro. It's the other candle. Gold is moving nicely now. To be fair, you've got to need a big move though. Trade through that Friday 50, and then we probably start seeing price move to the upside quite nicely. You see that long I cooked yesterday on Nasdaq. Nah, the Nasdaq longs yesterday were crazy though, man. If you was able to get in them, so lovely stuff, man. You probably did you not witness like a big spread gap though? Was you in the trades through the talks yesterday? We're currently looking at GU and EU sales, but we just need confirmations. We've come to the Friday 50. We've come to the Friday. We've come to the prior 4-hour fair value, the one that we've got to complete our retracement. We've taken Asia high, London high, everything we need to. We've been trading to the upside the whole day, so I do want to start seeing price having a bit more of a distribution. For me, what I'd say about gold is I would see it. I want to see it to the DTO, at the bare minimum. I want to see it at the DTO. So I'm still looking at it to come down to sort of 236, 700. So we got a bit of time. Depends how it moves. Would have been a massive day, but I trailed my stop a little too high. No, you're calm, man. Take your profits. Trading edge. Never be pissed with profits. Trust me, man. Don't try to find perfection in trading because it's just not gonna happen, bro. I promise you, it's not gonna happen. Be happy with profits. Walk away. Smile on your face. You should walk away with a smile on your face regardless, but in terms of like winners, man, take your winners. Take them. Laugh about it. But yeah, don't get pissed. But yeah, that's mainly what I'm saying for gold. We'll see if it comes down a little. Yeah, I know, but I was confident in it. I should have left it. Trust I had. Yeah, it's unlucky, man. Stop losses at break even on gold near DTO. Yeah, fair play, man. Fair play. I feel like we could see that move happening. We'll see though. Lovely. What's DTO? DTO is I mean, I've got videos in my mentoring for it, but just briefly, pretty much what a DTO is a key level of price. It's a very high key level of price where you see price come to it quite a lot and then move off. Something that we've got on our indicator, which is nuts. It's good for continuation moves. It's good to help with invalidations. It's all round a really good key level to use as a tool. Still not really getting much retracement from EU at the moment. Forgot my Discord pass. I'm in the group chat, but I've been able to reply to your message. What's your Discord, bro? What's your username? Drop me a message on Instagram, bro, and send me your WhatsApp number, innit, and I'll WhatsApp you instead. Yeah, lovely stuff, Ams, lovely. Tonight. Come on, give us a retracement, man. Well, it's coming to that. Yeah, shoot me a DM, bro. Just shoot over your WhatsApp number. We'll talk on WhatsApp, man. Yeah. Because I'll be honest, I get so many messages on Discord. It's actually almost a joke. So, yeah, drop me a message on WhatsApp. Drop me your WhatsApp. Do you enter trades live on stream, bro? Not on New York stream. I don't trade New York session, boys. I strictly trade London. So in pre-London, sometimes I jump on pre-London stream to the members at 6:30 till 8:30, and about 8. But we don't tend to see trades till just after that, annoyingly. So I don't really get that many on live. Hopefully, if we get early entries, then yeah. But today we all had this EG, for an example, on placed, or good 10 of us, I think, to be fair. Sorry, boys, I'm itching my fucking rassy. Do you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we didn't end up getting entered, man, with these plays. But no, we do. But I don't trade New York, bro. So in terms of YouTube stream, you won't see me place a trade. But I still give my advice on the markets, and I still give you my, my eyes, just using my strategy. My football team smashed it last night, won 4-0. We are +9 goal difference in 5 games. Fucking hell. Who are you playing? Fucking disabled. Can I say that? Or is that like not allowed on TikTok for some reason? Yeah, them ones. I got banned for live trading. Yeah, man. You always do, bro. Like, this is probably our 50th account. Our main account was on like 70k followers. Stupid amount of views, stupid amount of likes. It was a fucking sick account. We was getting minimum like 50k a video. Boom, we started getting bans left, right and centre, man. Quaymoid. Yes, Quayme. It's good, brother. East London. Yes, boy! He's in Hammers. Do you trade gold? I don't trade gold, bro. I trade for FX pairs. I trade EU, GU, and Euro GBP. Keep it simple. Keep it FX based. Yo, mates, what happens to broski the guy used to trade gold? I'm not even too sure, bro. I'm not too sure. I ain't got a fuck. Been trying to learn this recently. Well, drop me a message, bro. Got me pulling my hair out. To be honest, mate, like, it's one of those things, right? This is something I say to everyone, yeah. In terms of trading, right? Trading's actually really... It's fucking else, though. The thing is about trading, if you don't know what you're meant to be learning and don't know your next steps, it is fucking difficult. It could be one of the most frustrating things. Especially when you have no fucking... It's literally just like trying to walk down a road in pure and utter fucking fog. Like pure fog. You can't see an inch in front of you. It's shit. It's fucking annoying. You're probably going to bang into something. You're probably going to bang into trouble. Probably going to hurt yourself. Could get... I can't say it on TikTok. But yeah, it's just like that. But this is why guidance is key, man. Because if you're learning the right shit, at least you know you're always staying on rail. And I'll be honest, anyone can become profitable. It don't even matter who you are, man. Like, you can be at any... It doesn't matter if you think just dumb, whatever it is, man. If you're not a lazy person, you're good. If you're a disciplined person, you're good. It doesn't matter if you're smart or not. It matters if you're disciplined or not. It's way harder to be disciplined than to be smart. I feel like smart is just fucking... You're either... Well, I'll say that. No, not really. That's not really true. But discipline's key. Price in the EU, he didn't activate my buy limit at 1.1165. What did you go for? What, the short? Obsession beats telling every time, boys. No cap. No fucking cap. What did you get in a short? Oh, you know, you got in a buy limit at 1.11685. Oh, 6.5. What was you entering on? Dylan, 6.5% made on my 50k funded. 1.5 to go until I pass it. Feeling really good about it. Sorry, man. What the fuck? 6.5% made on my 50k. 1.5 to go until I pass it. Feeling really good about it all at the moment. This summer gonna be huge. Fingers crossed. Come on, man. Come on. I love to hear it. Love to hear it, Dylan. What strategy do you trade, Dylan? That's it, man. Don't get complacent. Edge max in 5 band. Inflation come up bullish for the dollar bears. Be careful. On print, it's bearish. Because obviously it's under what... yeah. But it's under expectations, but obviously low inflation is what the Fed want. We saw it cut from 2.4 down to 2.3, so we're seeing a move towards the Fed's 2% objective for inflation. So yes, short term bearish, long term bullish. I'm still looking for sells EU, GU. We've taken out 4-hour CRT, which is perfect for me. GU is even better. Why? We've taken out Friday 50. We've taken out Asia, London high. We've come into the 50% of the 4-hour range. And we completed CRT as well as that Friday 50, which is nice. The same one as you guys. You lot put me on up at... Come on! My fucking broski! Boys, if you trade our strategy, you're profitable. No, I'm joking. Not everyone can be profitable, but... Yeah, I'm in an EU swing short. Lovely stuff, half, man. Lovely stuff, bro. What do you think about EG? Get away from it, Big Joe. Get the fuck away from it, man. EU and GU are looking so... I can't say that. EU and GU look so good that don't even bother looking at EG. This is a fact, right? When EU, okay, EU and GU look good, EG looks shit. Okay? And vice versa. If EU and GU look shit, EG looks good. Please test that as well. Don't take my word for it. I don't expect you to take my word for it. Test it out for yourself. Go back through the markets. Have a look at GU and EU, then look at EG at the same time. Let me know what you see. Do you see it being shit, accumulative, unable to trade? It probably will be. Don't matter what the strategy is. Well, no one's strategy is based off an accumulative session unless you trade like a bot. 100% Stu, not getting high on the highs and the same when the low come. 100%, man. That's it. You just got to keep in the same frame of mind, you know. It's quite difficult because you don't want to get too excited. And at the same... Because that's the thing, man. A lot of people, they aim... In terms of emotions of losing and winning, they aim to make sure they've got no emotion when losing. But when winning, they have that excited... They still have that excited side. Which is why, I promise you, your losses are always going to piss you off. If you get too happy at your wins, you're gonna get pissed off at your losses. 100%. I can't even tell you how true that is. Try and find a balance in between where you're not too happy when you win because it's normality, and you're not too pissed when you lose because it's normality. You know your plan comes with wins and losses, but on a monthly basis or a yearly basis, you're profitable, right? Yearly basis is what matters the most. 100% bullish. What are you bullish on, Cheeto? I've been told to just stick to one pair, i.e. gold. Is that correct? If you're sticking to one pair, bro, do not stick to gold. You're going to be more filled up than Adriana Chechik, bro. I promise you, there's actually no point, man. You might as well start bending over and start getting filmed now. No cap. You might as well start doing those videos, bro. No fucking cap. Gold is going to bend you over and feed you. No, I'm not even lying there as well, bro. And the amount of times I've been filled up, bro, it's homo. Like, no cap. No, it's just gay. But no, in all seriousness though, man, don't trade gold. There's no point. It's difficult. There's so many reasons why it moves. Even a person like me, I trade so fundamentally based. I still massively find it hard to trade gold. It's not easy, right? It's not easy. It's manipulative. It moves very volatile. Doesn't matter what fucking day it is. It moves crazy. Doesn't matter what session. And boys, there could be something random that comes out, okay, that we don't know about, off print. Say, for example, China destroy loads of their gold randomly. Or say India just go to war with Pakistan, okay? Or are they already at war? I'm not even too sure. Or say England go to war with fucking Italy, for example, random. Gold's gonna boom. We don't know when sometimes these wars, we don't know when they're gonna break out. I've got PTSD from when Ukraine, okay, and the Russia war broke out. Me and Lou, what year was this? 2020? 2021? I think it was 2020. Was it 2020? No, it was before. Was it 2019? 2020? Fuck, I don't even know anymore. What year was that? Was it 2020? What? Sorry, boys, can we... Oh, it's 22. 22? That was only 2 years ago. Wow. But yeah, I lost a 100k funded. Because the war broke out. And I swear to God, boys, I've never traded gold since. I've never placed a gold trade on my big account since. And I refuse to, man. I refuse to. It's so manipulative. Go for an FX pair. The reason why I say go for the FX pair, okay, is because you're never really gonna... One, it's a highly, obviously, regulated market, so it's never gonna move more than, say, 1% a day. If it moves more than 1%, holy shit. We've already moved 0.5%, and we've had big news events, right? So it shouldn't move no more than 1%. NFP may be different, FOMC may be different, depends on news that comes out, but at least you know it's coming out. And then, for an example, right, You can analyse the bond market to see if safe assets are getting bought. If so, then you can buy against or sell against the dollar. And then you can look at the stock market. If stock markets are booming in the US, for example, it's going to positively affect the US dollar. The same thing with, like, you can actually use gold. Okay, the way you use gold is the same way you'd use bonds. If gold and bonds get bought, okay, that means that safer assets are more appealing. So that means FX is going to go down because FX are not safe havens. The only currencies that are safe haven is the US dollar, the Japanese yen, and the CHF. These are the three currencies that are considered safe havens. So other than these, like euro and the pound, if bonds and gold gets bought, you're going to see pound go down, euro go down, the fucking Zimbabwe dollar go down, your fucking Nan's old sterling coins go down. Do you know what I mean? Anything. But you can analyse this. So I use all of this to analyse the currencies. So I use the bond market, I use the stock market, I use safe havens, safe haven currencies, and then I'd obviously just use actual, like, economic fucking news. So what Keir Starmer's doing, inflation, employment, interest rates, retail sales, everything really. There's a lot more to the markets, boys, than just the fucking candles. Quick maths, 2025. Oh my days, I said 2 years, didn't I? Did I say 2 years? Oh my days, bro. Why is my quick math way worse? Like, so shit. Okay, my dream's over. Sitting in the garden, chilling, got to do the washing up. Oh no. Washing up for about 17 children as well, so you know it's like a literal job. You're pretty much a porter at this point. What exactly makes it a safe haven currency? Why can't the GBP be a safe haven currency, for example? Fucking good question, I like it. And it's because, well, the US dollar's a safe haven because it's backed up by a lot of and the dollar, and sorry, America. So you've got it makes it a safe haven because it's backed up by something. The CHF is the same. The Aussie dollar's considered a bit of a safe haven. Because I can't remember why CHF is, but the Japanese yen is sort of the same reason as the dollar. It's got other things backing it up, which makes it a safe haven thing to invest in. That's calm. Bearing in mind, it's the dollar's the world's currency, pretty much. It's the world's main currency. I've got some other points here, what they are. But no, it's not. Yeah, it's the banks, but it's also politically. Like Switzerland is very strong politically, which also helps the currency being a safe haven, and also economy is a big reason for a safe haven. Switzerland's got an amazing economy. US have got the biggest economy. Other reasons here is stable political and economic system. Size of the US economy, so obviously it's the largest economy in the world, that's why. That's pretty much it. Treasury market, fuck yeah, of course, the treasury market is huge. It's the most liquid, which is obviously so good for the US. Yeah, I didn't actually know why is the CHF a safe haven currency. It must be their just their banks. Political, yeah. So yeah, it's the same thing. Political and economic stability. Their central bank, the SNB. Very low inflation. Okay, I think that's the same as the yen as well. Strong fiscal policy. Balanced budgets is strong. Just overall a good economy. Low government debt. Another big thing that's great about them. Limited exposure to global geopolitical risk as well. Bearing in mind, you got to think, right. in like World War Two, the Swiss didn't want to fight. The Swiss didn't want nothing to do with it, any of the war. I'm pretty sure. Correct me if I'm wrong, old heads. But I'm pretty sure they didn't get themselves mixed up in the war. They didn't want nothing. They probably have enough money to fucking do a madness. You never know. There could be the silent Nevilles. I scalp and make. Well, how long has that been tested for, Lex? Like, how many trades have you placed like that? Because you can't just place a trade one day or 1 week or even 1 month and expect it to be profitable. A few profitable trades is good, but you never know if it's fully profitable on a monthly to a quarterly to a yearly scale, which is key. Swiss were neutral in World War Two. Yeah. Oh, they were just neutral. Okay, yeah. Today's bullish day. Just exit on the previous daily high. This Cheeto guy knows a lot. Cheeto, are you in any buyers? What session do you recommend trading, New York or London? It depends where you're from. I think it depends where you're from. For me, London session's amazing. I've always traded it, always will. It's treated me very well. My stats are much better in London than New York. So, yeah, I'd much rather trade London, to be honest with you. American to trade New York session. I know you're from Chicago, but it makes sense to trade London. If you've got better... Smashing that shit. That's what it's all about. See no big momentum. We might... Perfect. Go on. Right, boys, I'm going to jump off now, because I've been on there for an hour and a half already. So, what I'm going to do, boys, is I'm still going to be active for a bit, because I do want to... Is it lagging? Alright, it's probably the best time for me to jump off then. But, boys, if you can hear me, come drop me a message. I'm here to literally help anyone with trading, man. I'm still active for the rest of the day. If you guys got any troubles with trading, want to turn into a profitable trader, but just don't know how, don't know you've really your next moves, come and give me a shout. Glad I ain't the only one. I'm here turning off my... sorry, Bigfoot, bro. My bad, man. My bad. But you, man, I'll catch you, man, tomorrow. For the members, I'll be back at 6:30, obviously. We'll be on pre-London for the Wednesday morning. Hopefully, we can start seeing price reversing on DXY, reversing on GUEU. But, yeah, I do want to see DXY come to his Friday 50 and then move. Yes, Miss One, what we saying, bro? But, yeah, catch you, man, in a bit. YouTube, love you, man, always. You know the love. I still want to see it come down to the Friday 50. I still want to see GU. Well, GU's already done what we want now, so I just want to see it start reversing, and then the same for EU. I'll still be able to see